I'm seeing something. I like the white cheese with the red grapes. We got mosquitoes out here already. Not having a bug spray. I gotta walk back to the bus stop in an hour, hour and a half. Might need to stop at Hannaford too. That's where I got this snack pack. So, as far as our marijuana content goes, we've got Coca-Cola, which is a hybrid, and we've got Black Maple, which is an indica hybrid. And because of that, I think I'm gonna go with the hybrid Coca-Cola. This is gonna be my first time smoking today. Um, yeah, I think I want to go with the Coca-Cola since it's like a hybrid, and it's still, um, it's like mid to late afternoon. It's around 2:30, 3 o'clock, I think. I'm getting bit by the bugs though, so I might go a bit ballistic. I don't have any bug spray. As soon as I got to this spot, I was like, oh my goodness, like I would love to just take a poop right now. Like it feels so good to just take a poop, but I have nothing. I didn't pay any toilet paper or anything, so look at that. Look at that. It smells good. It's rolled really nice. You can see on here, there's a, here, I'll come closer. I'll come closer. They write me I'm an idiot, you know that? Did you know that? Even though this is where they eat off me, they eat off the blood of my foot to tell me I'm terrible. I'm gonna shove one up mine. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. See that? I'm shaky. You know why I'm shaky? Too many people talk to me at once. But yeah, I'm gonna just light this up with the intention to not be not not. I don't want to say that word. To not be mentally taken advantage of, and to have my memory stay intact. For me to be able to like create memories that are meaningful instead of feeling like I'm being dragged around all the time by things uncontrolled. I have the intention of hearing back from the Salvation Army on Indeed. I finally went there in person today because I hadn't been hearing back from them. Unfortunately, they said that they think the position has been filled, which makes me feel a little bit sour because I was really looking forward to working there. even though it's all just work, and I would really like to find a way to provide for myself that doesn't feel like work. So let's make that the intention. I mean, part of this channel is me wanting to support, you know, the idea of like smoking weed for a living. So if anybody who finds my channel peaceful, intuitive, mysterious, eclectic, um, this is for you and me. Well, it tasted like it really thinned out like right away. Smells. Smells really good. I just coughed all over myself. I got mosquitos on me, all around my neck.
Wind's kicking up a little bit.
Yeah, it smells really good. Only thing is I got some saliva on my arm. Wow, I like the way that tastes. I would say there is a part of me that's quite lazy, part of my Taurus. But I think truthfully, deep down, like I'm not that lazy of a person. I have this conflict where I want to be seen and I want to be held and like um, given. I want recognition given to me, and at the same time, it's like I absolutely want nothing to do with anybody, and that kind of just leaves me in Ketu. And in astrology, Ketu represents, the madman. And so that's how I feel a lot of the time. Is I feel like the madman. I'm just scared of even going back to the shelter I live at, you know? These mosquitoes, they drive me crazy. They got me already. They got me already. I think that's enough weed for now. So, it's enough weed because honestly, I love being in the forest and I love walking in the forest, but not when I don't have protection against bloodsuckers. I don't really feel like editing my videos either. At least not yet. People are telling me, you'll get to the point where you know how to get there, wherever there is, and however, I have to take that. See, they're all over, and they get me in the most uncomfortable spots, and I know I'm not the only one. Mosquitoes are ruthless. They're ruthless. Thank you. Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Guys, there's so many. And it's like, I get in that simulation where it's like your pheromones like automatically create like more of whatever the mosquitoes are desiring. So, oh, I was sitting right next to a mushroom. It's a poisonous one though. I would have never lied right there, okay? That's what I'm thinking. There's one right there on my forehead. That is so strange. And yeah, I'm not too happy about like supporting the plastic. But here I am with the plastic. It's just a snack pack. It was like the fruit was like the first thing that jumped out to me. So. Ew. I just killed one and now there's blood all over my foot. Okay, we're definitely getting attacked, so we're gonna leave. Goodbye, son.